Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:, then hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd System32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *.* backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space C:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren C:/ /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.